Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share. Now this is a very simple tutorial on how I do my everyday makeup. So here I'm applying my foundation. It blends so well with my skin tone. So this is my foundation I'm applying to my face. I don't really take too much because I don't want it too much. I want it to look very natural. I want it to look natural as possible. So you can see that it's blending so well with my skin tone and it is coming out very nicely and beautiful. This is how I do my makeup for work. Very simple and beautiful. It looks so natural, very natural on me. It even looks like as if I haven't applied anything to my face, but I have applied. Now look at that. Look at my face. It looks so pretty, so natural, and it's glowing nicely and beautifully. Yes. Please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like, comment and share. Now this is where I apply my eyeshadow. So I'm going in with the brown and black. It is two colors mixed together. I want it to look as natural as possible. So I go in with these two colors and it gives me the perfect nude color, the perfect natural color for my eyeshadow. I'm applying it to the next one. Now my eyelids are looking so beautiful and natural, very beautiful. So this is what I do every day for work. I don't do too much. Now here I am using the pencil for my lips. I use the pencil for my lips, drawing my lip line. And this is my lipstick. It's a nude color, as you can see. It gives me that natural look, that nude color that I want, and it blends with my face very well. Now this is where I apply my lipstick or lip gloss to it to make it beautiful. Yes, not too much, not too much. So here I'm cleaning the assets. I have to make it so beautiful. So I saw it was too much. I have to clean more for my lips. Now I guess I'm ready for work. I'm so ready. So I have my wig here. I wear it and get ready for work. Look at my face. Just look at that pretty face. Look at my face. I'm looking so beautiful. Thank you.